Hello. In the previous video, the initial setup, I showed you how to create permission to give users access to the data catalog application on the data map. Here, in this video, we'll focus on the data map. Why? Because we will introduce the new concept of domains, and then I will show you how to create collections. Domain actually is the top level nodes where you will define global permission. And under the domain, you will be able to create collections. As now Microsoft Purview Data Catalog is a tenant level solution, you can have only one account per tenant. We provide the capability to create several domains. Actually, you will have one default domain, the one you will get when you create the account. On top of the default domain, you will be able to add up to 4 custom domains. So as you can see here, you can have in total 5 domains according to the environment you would like to create. Then under the domain, you will be able to create collections. On the collections, it will be a kind of logical group where you will add assets. You will add a physical asset when you will perform a scan, and I will explain how to set up, how to register the data source and to perform a scan in another video later. But today, the collection is very important because it will define the structure of your organization, and you will be able to define permissions. I will show you in another video later, but a collection can also support workflows, and you will be able to assign workflow to a collection. So to be able to manage collection, you need to have some permission. So you need to belong to a role, at least at domain admin or collection admin. And be careful, you have 8 level of depth here, including domain level. So here I show you an example of where you can go in terms of number of level. And of course, you can have more information in this link. So this is an example of what now you can create as a domain on collection. So again, here it's a domain, and here you will have all your collection like this. It's at collection level where you will be able to register data source, but I will show you that in another video, and then to perform a scan. So let's see that in action, and I will show you how to create domains on collections. So here I am with my user FrontMare demo, the user that I gave permission during the very first video. So I gave enough permission to FrontMare demo to be able to go here in the data map. So by clicking there, you will be able to set up domains on collections. Of course, if you have enough permissions to do that. So let's click there, and let's jump in the data map. By default, you will get something like this. Okay, so nothing, just your first domain, the default domain. So starting from here, just to click on new collection, and you will be able to create your first collection under your domain. The recommendation is to create a kind of collection between the domain and the rest of your structure. Why? Is to isolate all the technical assets that can be sent through ETL, ELT, for instance, to the domain level, and is to isolate that to your business user. So we'll create an intermediate collection right here, and click on create. So actually the process is very straightforward because you just have to click at the collection level where you would like to add sub-collection and start to design your collection structure. So here, for instance, let's create a sub-collection to from Mercorp. So click on the 3 dots right over there, and then sub-collection. just define a name. So for instance, marketing. You can add a description, and why not a collection admin. And click create. On here, as you can see, we start to design the structure. So the domain level and your collection level 2, level 3, and so on and so on. So let's continue to create the organization. So let's imagine I would like to add another collection. So here at Frondmer Corp, I can create again here in the three dots on sub-collection, on sales, give a description, and again you can add a new a collection admin, let's say Franck Mercier like this, and click on create. And here we go. Here we are. We have a two collection under the Frondmer Corp. So we can continue like this to create all the structure, and this is what I'm going to do. So here we go. So I created my collection structure like this. So let's imagine we can have something like this for the rest of the videos. So you can see here the sub collection on the parent collection here where you can regroup in case if you want to have a higher view of number of assets, on if you want to assign a workflow at this collection level. But again, this is something that I will show you in the next video. One of the major news here is the new feature is the capability here, the possibility to create a new domain. So it means, again, as Microsoft Purview Data Catalog is now a tenant level solution, in case if you need to have several environments, you can't create several accounts. But what you can do, you can create a new domain. So let's imagine you need to have a domain for test. So you can create a new domain here, and then you can start under this new domain to create a new collection structure right over there. And here, if I go quickly at the new domain level, if I go here on role assignment, you can see that by default, as a domain admin, the user is automatically assigned at this in this role. But I will show you that in another video, how to manage role and permissions at collection level.